We're all talking about global growth slowing, and the market is very nervous about that. Also about trade talks in China. Fourth quarter GDP was revised down 2.2%. But instead of talking about an inverted yield curve and a chart that people are trying to figure out, we're going to talk about an actual human that seems to be saying
who's also trying to figure it out.
He is also trying to figure it out. But this is a human that a lot of people listen to. It's Warren Buffett, and he's out there today saying that the economy has indeed slowed down. What did the Oracle of Omaha see? What does he know? What is he basing this on?
I mean, my take on this is like, well, thanks, Warren. You're the last person to let us know the U.S. economy is slowing down. I mean, almost everything this week has really been about the housing data that we've gotten in that just shows the housing market is certainly slowing down. Next week, on Monday, in fact, we'll get retail sales data for March, which is going to be extremely important because that's going to give us a sense of where the consumer stands. Now, Sazi, I know a number of individual companies, and we'll get to Lulu, in about 10 minutes or so, but I think companies are saying things are good in the economy, but on a macro basis, the Fed, Warren Buffett, almost every economist on Wall Street, certainly investors, have noticed that the U.S. economy, the global economy is all slowing down. So, yeah, I think when Warren Buffett speaks, we all listen, and there's many reasons why we do that. But I think his comments today, it's kind of like, okay, yeah, I mean, thanks for noticing 6 weeks after literally everyone had already noticed this.
Well, he's still a better indicator than that Case-Shiller home price index. That thing is awful. Talk about backward-looking data. But he's joining the growing chorus of people that are worried about the economy, and the sentiment in the market is still all over the map. You have you have data surprising to the downside. If you're a trader, how are you going to hold into the weekend? You have China manufacturing data coming out late on Sunday night. You have more data coming out on Tuesday from China. China has shown the past couple of weeks that as that bad data comes in, the U.S. markets are going to get hit or could get hit.
Okay, so fine, he's saying it a little late, but at least he's saying it. At
least he said it, that's right.
At least he
didn't
said
wait
it.
until May.
And I also think, he is kind of, when you listen to him talk, he is trying to figure it out. And I still am trying to figure it out, just having you come here, Southwest. Mm-hmm. That was not a great story that we had this week on the consumer. Mm-hmm. But then, we have had stories where the retail area is okay.
Look at FedEx.
Okay, look at FedEx.
Laid a big fat egg, but to Warren Buffett's point, for him, has the economy slowed down enough? Where's his big deal? Where is his deal for the airlines? These stocks have come off significantly. Where's his play? What is he doing? Miles, where's he going to be buying? What is he buying?
I mean, I don't know why he hasn't bought Lowe's yet.
Why hasn't he bought Lowe's?
Right.
Has he been out there buying more Apple? I don't know.
Well, I mean, maybe the global economy, Jen, is just a farm that you don't need to check every day.
It was pretty funny. He did talk about the airlines. Mm-hmm. That bigger than 10% position taken in Delta, and was asked, okay, well, is this your favorite airline? No, I just made a mistake.
What better time to pull the trigger on something? These airline stocks have been hit the past 2 months. You're a Warren Buffett. You have significant positions. What, in all four of them?
Right.
Get out there and pull the trigger, my man.
Yeah, but remember the Richard Branson quote. What's the best way to become a millionaire? First become a billionaire, then buy an airline.
I thought it was become a billionaire and then buy a winery. There's a lot of these.
There's a lot. Look,
Gordon Gekko doesn't like airlines.
There's a lot of ways that rich people can lose money on things, but I think we all agree airlines are certainly one of those. Well,